If things are not making sense now, in time, they will. Maraming bagay ang nakasakit sa'yo. Maybe, linoko ka, tinake advantage ka. It can be in terms of finances, in terms of maybe family matters, pwede sa career, pwede sa business, and duguan tayo dun. Sugatan tayo dun. Baka na-trauma pa tayo dun, and ang sakit-sakit, and iniisip natin, bakit nangyari sa akin to? Sobrang hirap. But the thing is, even in the midst of the pain, especially if we respond right, it can build us to the person who we will become. Na wise, na matalino, na malakas, na compassionate, na kind. Kasi yung mga bagay na nakadurog sa atin, ito yung mga bagay na pwedeng magpag-grow sa atin eh. So maybe you are in a rough patch right now. Durog na durog ka, maybe finances, relationship, broken-hearted ka. But in time, maybe after a year, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, you will realize that because of the pain that happened to you, it made you a better person. Or it opened a door of opportunity sa'yo. Or you met a new person. You met your love of your life because of the pain in the past. So, maaring hindi nagbi-make sense ang mga bagay nangyayari sa'yo, yung mga sakit na nangyayari sa'yo. But in time, magugulat ka and you will say, thank you, Lord, it happened. Yung sakit na yun, because kung hindi, I won't be the person who I am today.